week giveaway promotion. I am winner contest at number 9. So I did receive my gift today. So I'm gonna do the unboxing of my gift. So I'm unboxing my gift. Okay, so here is my gift. So here's my gift, guys. They are very reliable. They communicate very well, very effective communication. They're always there to assist and answer questions of any need. So they are one of my preferred shipping companies.
You could have a brand new shipping account. You do not need to ship to win. Refer 3 people and participate in the 10,000 giveaway. You could be the next big winner. There are 60 prizes to be won.